What is up, guys? This is Moritz here from Section Store once again, and today we will be having a look at this featured collection slider right here. So you can see here, you can pick one of your collections of your online store and then simply navigate through the slider like this, and you can even see this little progress bar on the bottom right here, and I'm going to show you how you can install that whole thing in less than a couple minutes. Let's get right into it. The app I used for this section is called Section Store. It's a component library for over 100 fully customizable components, and you can get it completely free in the Shopify App Store. And to actually find the section I was using for this tutorial, you just type in collection right here. As you can see, we have a bunch of different ones in our store, but the ones I used for the tutorial is this one. So we're going to click on it. Like I said already, the app itself is completely free, but sometimes we do offer premium sections like this one, which come with a charge of $9, but you only have to pay it once and you're going to own the section forever afterwards. You're not going to need a developer. You don't need to code yourself. So I think at the end of the day, it's a pretty good time saver and also money saver. All right, let's head back to the home area of the app where we have to do one final step to actually look for the section and add it to the theme we're using. In my case, it's the Dawn Light theme. So you just click on here and then you can happily open it up in the theme editor. I've already done so. So I'm gonna just jump right into it. That's the one you saw in the beginning of the video. We're just gonna delete this one so I can show you from scratch what I did here. Let's just put this down a bit, save it up. So we're gonna make sure everything is loading up correctly. Now we're gonna click on add section, type in collection, and it is the SS featured collectioner. That is the one you need for this section in specific. And we're gonna save it up so you can see that is working fine already. And what we are selling right here is fins. So we're just gonna do the same as in the beginning of the video. So we can select fins, perfect, that looks fine to me. And then we wanna show the progress bar. And maybe you could also position it at the top, but I think it looks nicer if it's at the bottom, but at the end of the day, it's up to you. You can also decide how many products you want to show per row, but I think 4 is a pretty good number. And then we can scroll down a little bit. We can set a lot of different things like the border radius of the images right here, the image height, but the predefined settings are already pretty nicely working, but you can always do some customizations like changing the padding it has here and change the font as well, the title size of the cards. Maybe let's make that a little bit smaller so the bigger ones also fit in. We can change that right here. Select decent thin for your softboard. Maybe a bit long, but it's just for the sake of this video, let's just do select decent thin, and then we are good to go. So you can see that is changeable as well. Heading size is something we can change as well, and we can even put a subheading right here, change the size of that as well. But the best thing to do is just to play around a little bit and see for yourself what is working. So all fins, so that here is getting edited, and even put a link to that. So we can say collections and also the collection of the fin. Right, last thing I want to change up is the colors. Those are also all customizable. The link color on top here. We all want to make it look like the rest of the page, so the corporate identity will be alright. And the last thing I want to change is the progress bar. Perfect, let's save it all up, have a final look at it, and I think we can pretty much finish the video if that is being loaded. Perfect, let's give that a little reload and see if everything worked. We have our headline right here. The slider is working good as well, and the progress bar looks fine to me, and this collection is also getting shown right here. Perfect, it's going to link us to our collection page. And yeah, with that being done and successfully working, we're at the end of the video. Hope you guys found it useful, and if you did, always feel free to leave a like and a follow, and have a good one. Peace out.